Minister uri MITHIKA Linturi na liungite skuru ya Boys NAREA ATHOMAIRA no karania na ARITWA na kubekire INYA kenda BATHAARE kinya NKURUKI akeri MITHIKA na yanite mawirane kathumba kiri ARITWA ikirikono ya Boys ni ratharite bunene kiri KCSE ratumire tukiume kithiru Boniface Mongera aina nteto NKURUKI.
Sukuru endaka Igembe Boys gitone kyo mwe Igembe boga iti namukire mugenyo gitio ntukwena mugenyo gitweno etungi ministeri meja nthiguru ne Kenya wana MITHIKA Linturi uria kagita kamwe ari murito skuru neje ago kinya skuru ende ne kunikire kugoro kungi ko mwanya gotara konekene kimya kire kurukite eje kumakire ARIMU ARITWA amwenye na aritingoge na kenda kuiririkana nyagwikira ARITWA moyo ateka oma bamunda ATHOMAIRA jatore Minister Linturi ibaringere ndi kumonya monyo beskuru eje beringa story na ndaka na kyamuthia muthiene bashokera kutheka ema ugokinya kwa Minister Linturi skuru neje ntukwena ukali ko bashokere nkatho no ntubwa mpumi njega shikire KCSE irirarekererwe skuru ya Igembe Boys niyo irari namba ijiri kumakire miro school dene kontemiro na nontobo unande jandake nkoro skuru ya kana gechonko boy Minister Linturi ate kujitenjali ndari.
This dining hall was done when I was a member of parliament, but I'm still not very happy to find that a bus that I bought 14 years ago is the same bus that these beautiful young men are using to go for meetings. It can't happen. When I made a decision to buy a bus for this school, when I was elected as a member of parliament, was on the embarrassment that I found at the demeaning position that the boys then went through whenever they went for games. No, we had a bus KPU 546. I don't know whether it exists. So this KPU 546, whenever these young men would go to Mawanga House or Kangeta House, those girls never wanted to talk to them because we were being carried in a Land Rover.
Tebasi yake abaikira wirane kinyamya ko skuru neje akedre mikandura
that whatever support is required from myself and from the government, I will go my extra way. I will go an extra mile to ensure the challenges that you are facing are addressed, because we have a responsible government, a listening government, and a caring president in the days
Minister Linturi akenderea na orira litoro kwithekire mwaka jojo bakamuringa nthiguru bethiro begwataniro boboga na ARIMU bekire bindi njega ugotigira litobonthe bagwite university okorwa naku skuru ya Igembe Boys kagitene gaka ne kwethiro yikumiria nkoroki ARITWA makana jere 30 barite kigerio ARITWA batantatu ake uburagwete nthiguru C+.
This particular here, I am going to buy every airplane at 50,000 shillings for us to school in this school.
Na gukora mibango ya thirikari ya Kenya ine okurukira ministry ya urimi ndene maskuru mono kurukia nteto cha 4K club Minister Linturi na ugite akethwete skuru ya Igembe Boys na skuru inge ndene kontemiro.
Those government institutions that have land must put those pieces of land to fund production. And schools are one of my major targets, because other than bridging the gap of our food budget, dealing the issue of food security and nutrition and security in the country, we will also through food production in our institutions, be able to bridge our expenditure on food, because you will be able to produce some food from our own farms.
Nke reporter Ntoshauru TV kuma yake ngina kilopo Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.